Join me as I dive deep into the mythos and try to uncover if Cthulhu really is the oldest demon in the universe. In this video, we'll explore the origins of Cthulhu, his role in Lovecraftian mythos, and why some believe he might be the oldest demon ever conceived. Demiurgods, fallen angels, and ancient deities, we've got a multitude of contenders vying for the title of oldest demon in the universe. But what makes Cthulhu stand out from the rest? Is it his grotesque appearance, or perhaps his unfathomable power? Whatever the reason, Cthulhu has captured the imaginations of horror fans worldwide, and today, we're going to examine the arguments for and against his claim to being the oldest demon in existence. We'll need to define what we mean by demon and explore the evidence that supports Cthulhu's ancient status. One major roadblock in our search for the truth is the fact that the concept of demons is largely subjective. What one culture considers a demon, another might view as a benevolent deity. This ambiguity makes it challenging to pinpoint the oldest demon with certainty. However, by analyzing the characteristics and myths surrounding Cthulhu, we might just uncover some clues that set him apart from other contenders. For instance, Cthulhu's ability to manipulate reality, wield immense power, and inspire unfaltering devotion in his followers are all hallmarks of an extremely ancient and potent entity. In many mythologies, the oldest demons are often depicted as being bound to the earth or trapped in some form of supernatural confinement. Cthulhu, too, is said to be imprisoned in a state of hibernation, waiting for the stars to align in his favor. This parallel between Cthulhu and other ancient demons is certainly intriguing and warrants further investigation. As we delve deeper into the world of Lovecraftian horror, we'll explore the historical and mythological context in which Cthulhu was created, and how he reflects the fears and anxieties of the time. Cthulhu's status as a malevolent entity is deeply rooted in his ability to corrupt and manipulate humanity. His cult, comprising brainwashed followers and twisted creatures, is testament to his incredible power. This manipulation is reminiscent of ancient deities who demanded human sacrifice and worship in exchange for their favor. Could it be that Cthulhu's malevolent influence is a result of his unfathomable age, granting him unparalleled insight into the workings of the human psyche? H.P. Lovecraft's creation, Cthulhu, is a masterpiece of modern myth-making. By drawing inspiration from real-world mythologies, Lovecraft crafted a being that embodies the darkest fears of human imagination. From his gigantic, otherworldly physique to his ability to drive mortals to the brink of madness, Cthulhu is the epitome of terror. But what inspired Lovecraft to create such a monstrosity? Was it a fascination with ancient mythologies, or perhaps a desire to tap into the collective unconscious of humanity? One of the most compelling arguments for Cthulhu's ancient status is his connection to the Old Ones, a pantheon of forgotten deities from Lovecraft's works. The Old Ones are said to have ruled the earth eons ago, leaving behind a legacy of eldritch horrors and unutterable terrors. If Cthulhu is indeed an Old One, then his age is almost unimaginable, predating humanity by millions of years. This raises questions about the true nature of Cthulhu and his role in shaping human history. Some of the most ancient mythologies, such as Sumerian and Babylonian lore, feature deities with striking similarities to Cthulhu. The use of tentacles, aquatic associations, and connections to the unknown are all common motifs in these ancient myths. It's possible that Lovecraft drew inspiration from these mythologies when creating Cthulhu, subconsciously tapping into a collective awareness of ancient, forgotten horrors. As we near the conclusion of our journey, it's time to examine the most compelling arguments and insights regarding Cthulhu's age and significance. While we may never know the truth for certain, the evidence suggests that Cthulhu is far more than just a modern creation. He may indeed be the oldest demon in the universe. This realization has profound implications for our understanding of horror fiction and the human psyche, hinting at a deeper connection between ancient mythologies and modern fears. In summary, today we explored the mysterious world of Cthulhu, examining his role in Lovecraftian mythos and the arguments for his ancient status. Whether or not Cthulhu is indeed the oldest demon in the universe, one thing is certain: he continues to captivate and terrify us to this day. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of madness. What are your theories about Cthulhu? Share them in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on Lovecraftian lore for more insights into the world of horror.